What's up, guys? What's going on? Today we got a banger, literally a banger, but a banger because we got a combination of some of the best stuff that you could actually outfit, whatever Glock version that you have, and I'm gonna put it all together. I'm gonna put it all together, show you guys, and then we're gonna take it out back, and yeah, we're gonna get busy with this because this whole combination. I've been waiting on this whole combination for a while now. I just wasn't sure what to put together. But let me just go over everything with you and then the whole reason for this. So basically, if you got, your basic, Glock, this is actually a Glock 19, 5th gen. This is the latest one that they came out with. I mean, it's nice. It's a Glock, it's gonna shoot and it's gonna keep shooting. Problem is, personally, it gets boring after a while. When I did find out that I could buy firearms, I went out and bought a lot of different firearms and stuff, and I have different carries. So I used to carry this with this Holoson. So this is a Holoson sights, which is a really good sights, and I used to carry it on this with this carbon holster. Problem is, it just gets boring. You know what I mean? Like, I'm more for more fun. I rather actually shoot my AR with a binary trigger than shoot this Glock. For personal carry, it's cool, but it's a little heavy. It's actually a lot of heavy. So I don't really care to carry it. But it is. I mean, it's a Glock. Can't go wrong, right? It's a Glock. But anyway, guys, we're gonna outfit the Glock with this upgraded binary trigger by G-Flex. So we're gonna have like a little semi-auto action going on here. And then we're gonna outfit the actually no, first we're gonna outfit it with this micro conversion kit from MCK. So MCK make this really good micro conversion kit. And I've been looking at getting one of these ever since they came out with the Micro Roni years ago, but I just never actually pulled the trigger on doing so. So I actually went with the white. This is the Snow Trooper style, and I'm gonna show you later on why I went with the white MCK. This is the Gen 2 MCK, and I also went with the upgraded kit. So this is the advanced kit, which come with the light. It come with some grips. I'll show you. Come with the shoulder band. I'll show you all that. It come with pop-up sights. Come on here. So I'll show you all that when I put it all together. The beauty about this, it come with a piccaninny rail. So that's where I'm gonna mount this Holoson right on top. And yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually just put this all together. I'm gonna build it, and then show you guys the final outcome. So you got this, this is the trigger here. I'm gonna pop that out. Got the Holoson here. This is the sights. Put that on the side. Let me just go through this whole thing. Do a little hyperlapse for you guys. Okay, guys, so it's all done. Finally, I couldn't put everything that I kind of did to put this all together. Couldn't put it on YouTube because apparently that's against the rules. But this is the final product, guys. This is the final product. You got your Glock 19 right in there. These are the thumb stops. These are the thumb stops here. On this side, I got the flip up sights. Got the flip up sights here. So those are always backup. You could always kind of just see through the flip up sights, you know, if you need to. The flip up sights actually sight right above the Holoson here. So you can put your flip up sights down, and then your Holoson, you'll notice that this is pretty much almost in line with the front sights, but it is just high enough to where, let's see if I can show you guys. It's just high enough to where your red dot, not sure if that's going to come out on camera, but the red dot is right above it. It's about a 1/4 inch right above it. So the red dot is perfect with that. So, you know, that looks actually really good. You know, that Holoson there. We got, what else this got? You know, it's all in here. So you got that AR style. You can pull it back on both sides because it's ambidextrous. So you got, you know, pull there, got pull there. Got the thumb stop here on this side. So if you're shooting with your right, shooting with your left, got the thumb stop on that side. That's a part of what comes with the kit. But yeah, that's beautiful right there. That's beautiful. And to top it off, I got one more thing. Some of you might remember this. You might remember this 50 drum. So you know, got this 50 drum here. So we're gonna take this 50 drum out, and you know, we're gonna. Now, how does that look? All right, guys. So the real reason why I went with the white is because my Land Rover Defender is black and white. And look at that. Now that makes for the perfect passenger princess right there. So without further ado, okay guys, so here we have it. You got CCA MCK Gen 2 with we got our flashlight. We got our flashlight on there, but it's daytime now, so we're not going to be using that anyway. We got 50 drum mag. We got our extra mag here. We got our extra mag here in case we need it, but I don't think we'll be using that today. We got Glock 19 5th gen, and then the Glock 19 is outfitted with a G-Force trigger, with a G-Force flex trigger, which is a binary trigger. Then we got the Holoson sights. We got the sling, and let's go. Okay, guys, so just took this out back, and I tried the 50 drum mag and also just one of the regular mags, and this G Flex trigger, it's not flexing. Like, honestly, right now I'm a little bit frustrated with it because at the price point of which they charge you for a G Flex trigger, you would think it works seamlessly out the box. But I've tried a couple variations, a couple alterations I did just to even make it pull consecutively, because before it was just getting stuck. Now at least it's pulling, but it's not release. On the release, it's not giving off another shot, so there is no binary action. So what I'm going to do now is actually put the OEM Glock trigger back in. I'm going to put this back in because this is seamless. This is proven time and time again to never not work. So I'm gonna put that back in, then I'm gonna go out and we're just gonna have it, this setup without the G Flex binary. Check this out. All right, guys, so that concludes this video. I mean, so far my initial reviews, as far as the MCK, love it. The Holoson, it's right on, it's right on point. I did have to make a few adjustments, but as for the G Flex, now hopefully they can reconcile this malfunction, because I done took this out and installed it like 5 times, made a little adjustments, and still it ain't flexing. So this is a complete waste of money right now. But yeah, no, we're gonna get it sorted out. They're gonna get this back. They gotta send me something that's tested. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.